Welcome back to the channel, adrianmateogunz, bringing you guys another video. I got some more build drills that I want to go ahead and do here in my personal range, but this time I'm going to be using my Smith and Wesson Easy 380 Easy. This gun, they call it Easy for a reason. I mean, I'm barely putting any force to it, barely anything, just two little fingers, even back here. They call this Easy for a reason. It is so easy to rack, so easy to shoot. I will not call it soft shooter, but I'm going to call it a very easy gun to shoot. I do have some PMC Bronze 380 Easy. These are the 90 grain full metal jacket. They're very easy. They're strong, but not super powerful. I do have my shot timer set up. I do have my target. I already set it. Let me turn the camera around. I got my metal target right here. That will be at about 15 yards from here. And we're going to go ahead and get these build drills done because I've been dying to do these with a higher caliber than just my 22, like I did with my Glock 44 and the Taurus TX22. I do have 4 magazines loaded already. They're ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Let me go ahead and load that round in here. So let me go ahead and get my ear on, and we will go ahead and get the shooting right away. All right, let me go ahead and set up the other camera, and I will be right back. And I am back. Here's the gun. Gun is cocked, loaded, ready to go. This time I'm actually going to put it on my hips, on my side, so I can go ahead and draw. You know what I mean? Draw the gun and get it going. Let me move the camera a little bit back a little bit. Okay? Going to be right here. I'm going to get the shot timer ready. This is going to be something new. All right? First shot. 225. I thought that was pretty good. Hit that thing right on target. I got this gun sighted in pretty good. Safety on, as you guys can see. The sight is actually off to the left. Like I've told many of you guys, every Smith and Wesson gun that I have to literally move the rear iron sight to the left. As you can see, it's not centered. It's to the left. Smith and Wesson, come on, man, do something about it. But anyway, let me go ahead and put it back on my hip. I always have the safety on. We don't want no issues, any malfunction. All right. I missed that time. 201. I actually rushed it. I didn't take my time. Let me go ahead and do it again. This time I'm actually going to put it on the table because the shirt keep getting the gun snagged. I'm just going to put it on the table. I'm not going to do it from the hips. Damn it, I missed again. 224. Let me do it again. Damn it, man. 226, but I missed again. There you go. 234 with a hit. Let me see how many rounds I have. All right. I still have 2 in the mag, 1 in the head. Missed that time. 201. Still got 2 more rounds. 203, but I think I missed. I didn't hit the ding on the middle target. There you go. That was 236. I think I'm moving a little too much. I'm kind of rushing the shots. So I just need to calm down just a little bit, try to relax a little bit, and see if I can go and hit the target a little more often. Because I'm tired of missing. Let me get the gun ready. There you go. That was 230. I pulled it to the left. 229. I felt that I pulled it to the left. Damn it, man. 241. I pulled it again. Okay. There you go. 216, the first shot, with a split of 109. Both shots, 325. There you go. 207, with a split of 0.88. Both shots, 295. So again, practice does make perfect. At the beginning, I was struggling just a little bit. Now I'm getting a little quicker and a little better. Let me go ahead and see how many rounds I have left. Okay, none in the mag, one in the head. Let me get another mag in here. Got one and one missed. First shot, 219, with a split of 0.86. Both shots, 305. There you go. That time, 215. Both shots, 2 hits. Split 0.86. Both shot time, 301. See here. First shot, 194 with a split of 0.68. Both shots, I'm sorry, 3 shots. First shot was 194. Let me review that. 194. Second shot was actually split 0.79. 3 shots was 341. And I got a malfunction. Failure to extract. Okay, that was weird. All right, this is gonna be the last mag, and then we call this video a done deal. Okay. Save. Damn it. Fuck. I forgot to take the save off. Time 4:66, and I missed. There you go. Both shots. 205 with a 0.92 split. Both shots, 297. Missed one. 210, first shot, split 0.82, both rounds, 292. There you go. There you go. First shot, 203, split 0.87, both shots, 290. There you go. That was a good round. That was the last round too. First shot, 191, split of 0.75, both shots, 266. That was 4 rounds of 4 magazines, with 8 rounds each. So I thought that was a good little build drill to come out here, get this done. You obviously noted that I need more practice, which I will. I am enjoying doing these. I just need to come out here and do it more often, try to relax, calm down, but yet draw the gun, get it on target, and get the shooting. At the beginning, I was rushing, not taking my time. I got the gun, sat it in pretty good, so that's not even a problem. So the fact that I was missing, it was not the gun and it was not the ammo. It was pretty much me. I was kind of pulling it a little too much to the left or to the right instead of just focusing on the shot. You know what I'm saying? This gun gives me a good purchase, so that's not even a problem. You know, even with the mag being out, I still got a full purchase because that little lip right here kind of pushes my pinky up instead of down. And with the magazine, it gives it, even a little better, more grip here. This grip safety right here is easy to engage, so that's not even a problem. The second I grab the gun, boom, it's pretty much engaged. It's pretty much engaged, and it will not fire unless the grip safety is engaged. And if the mag is out, it will not fire even if the grip safety is engaged. It has to have the mag in here in order to fire. That's one thing that I love about this Smith and Wesson Easy 380 Easy guns, including the performance center that I have as well. The safety on these guns are amazing. Besides the auto safety, which is ambidextrous, by the way, is on both sides, and you can switch the mag release to the other side as well. The only thing you cannot change is the slide lock. It's only on one side. But anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. You could have been anywhere else, but you're here with me. Like the video, share the video, comment and let me know what you think. I do start a little rusty, but I get better the more I shoot it. So I'm not here to try to please anybody. I'm here more to practice myself and show you guys my progression. The more I do it, the better your boy is going to get. Trust me on that one. Make sure that you click on the bell notification, that way you never miss that or any other of my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Good night, guys. Love y'all.